Hello, welcome back. I hope you had a lovely half term. I've got another session of Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home for you today. We're going to do a letter string that comes at the end of some words. So I'm going to go straight in and you can sound these phonemes out. So this one is oo, and this one, that's right, say at home, oh. Remember, it's not l, we don't have that explosion at the end, it stays in your mouth and it is l. And when we put them together, we get ool, ool. Okay, now sometimes, again, this can be a tricky one because you don't always say the oo as a proper oo sound. It comes out more like an ul. Okay, so we've got ul there. And we're going to think of some words that end with that letter string. So I've got one here, and you might have been in one of these while we've been at home in the holidays or the school closure time. And this one is fool. So we have been in the paddling pool, maybe. Okay, so we've got pool there, pool. So I want you to try and think now of some other words that end in ool. And then we can see if we've got the same one. So now it's time for you to pause the video and have a go at writing your own words. Off you go. Okay, let's see which ones you got. So I had this one, didn't I? Pool. We have also got this one. So see if you can read that one at home. Tool, tool. So a tool is something that you might do some work with, like a hammer or a saw. We've got this one. Cool, cool. Okay, so you want to keep cool in the shade, or you might say something's really cool if you think it's really good. We have got this one. This one does sound a little bit different because when we say wool, that's actually wool. Wool, like the wool of your jumper, maybe, or from a sheep. Okay, so that one is pronounced wool. And then this one has got a bit of a tricky sound at the start because it makes the sk sound. We don't sound that H really, but this one you should all know how to say that. It is school. Okay, school, I go to school. So we have got quite a few words there with the ool ending. And again, it's just interesting that you can basically hear other ways. We have lots of ways in English where sounds sound the same, but they're written with different letters. And sometimes you might think it sounds a bit like the or sound, like all, but it's actually ul, okay? So it's time now for you to write a sentence. So have a look at the words that you've written and see if you can pick one or two that you can put into a sentence. And this is time where you can either go and have a go at writing your sentence on your own, or you can see the sentence that I have written and that might help you, or you can use the sentence I've written and just write the same sentence. It's all about practicing your writing. And while you're at home, it's really important that you keep practicing your writing, because otherwise your muscles in your hand will seize up and you won't have a strong hand for writing when you come back to school. So you must keep writing at home. Writing, Lego, all things like that use your hand. Keep those fingers strong. Okay, so here is my sentence. See if you can read that one. Okay, I jumped. Remember, we've got that ED on jump there for jumped. I jumped into the pool to keep cool. I jumped into the pool to keep cool. And remember, we read it once for sounding out, for decoding, and then read it another time for fluency. So after you've figured out what it says, you read it again from start to finish. I jumped into the pool to keep cool. And then you can think about what that means as well, can't you? So it's good to always read things a couple of times. Okay, good luck with your sentence then, and I hope you've remembered all your other spellings, not just the all words, and your capital letter at the start and your full stop at the end. And we'll be back again tomorrow with another session of Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. Bye.